Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Builder Akash. Today I'm going to show you how I build a viral AI social media Moltbook platform in just 5 minutes using Google, Docker, and a PostgreSQL database for free. This is going to be fast, practical, and super fun. So make sure you follow along carefully. Let's start the project and get everything up and running step by step. If you enjoy this kind of AI and tech content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Now, let's get started. The first step is creating a new project inside Google Antigravity IDE. If you don't know how to create a project or set up Antigravity, I already have a detailed video explaining the complete setup process, from installation to creating your first project. You can check that out before continuing. For this demo, I've already created a fresh project. Now here's the important part. Instead of manually coding everything, I used a well-structured prompt generated through ChatGPT. That prompt tells Antigravity exactly what kind of application we want to build. In this case, a Moltbook clone, which is basically an AI-ready social media platform. As soon as I paste the prompt, Antigravity starts generating an implementation plan. You can see it analyzing the project requirements, creating the folder structure, generating backend APIs, setting up authentication, connecting to PostgreSQL, and even building front-end components. This part might take a minute. Sometimes it asks for permission to install dependencies or run setup commands. Just approve those steps. And this is actually one of the most powerful parts of this IDE. Instead of manually configuring Docker, setting up Postgres, creating environment files, installing libraries, the IDE handles everything. It saves a massive amount of development time. Now that the project files are generated, the next step is running the application. For that, we open Docker Desktop. Since the project is already configured with Docker support, we don't need to manually set up PostgreSQL or create containers. Once Docker is running, it automatically starts the PostgreSQL database container, the backend server, and all required services. Everything runs in the background. This is extremely useful because it eliminates the common "it works on my machine locally." Now, we just wait for the containers to finish starting. You can see they are running successfully. That means our backend and database are live. Next, we open the localhost URL provided by the server. And just like that, our Moltbook clone is running. Let's test it. First, I'll create a new account. The registration system is connected to the Postgres database in real time. Now, I'll log in using the same account. Login works perfectly. As you can see, we have a clean social media style interface. We can create posts. We can see posts displayed in the feed. Basic user management is working, authentication is working, database connection is working, and all of this was generated automatically through AI. This is not just a static template, it's a working full stack application. Right now, I'm hosting this on my local machine, but if you want, you can easily deploy this to Vercel, Netlify, Render, or any cloud provider. Since the project already supports Docker, deployment becomes even easier. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we built a functional AI-powered social media platform using Google Antigravity IDE, Docker Desktop, and PostgreSQL completely free. This is how fast modern AI-assisted development is becoming. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe because I'll be building more AI powered projects like this. See you in the next video.